In this video, you'll learn how to set up a local LLM in your project using the Runtime Local LLM plugin, now available on Fab. For this tutorial, I'm using Unreal Engine 5.7, the latest version at the time of recording. However, you can follow along with any version, starting from UE 4.27, as the plugin supports all versions from 4.27 onward. Before we begin, make sure the Runtime Local LLM plugin is enabled in your project. First, you need to add a local LLM to your project. Go to Project Settings, then navigate to the Plugins section and open the Runtime Local LLM tab. Here, you can import your own LLM or download one from the list of available models. To quickly test that everything is set up correctly, open the LLM Interface Test menu and send a simple prompt. At this point, you already have a working local LLM in your project. Next, I'll show you two ready-to-use examples that demonstrate common workflows. For testing purposes, I'll be using the level blueprint, but you can apply these same nodes in any blueprint in your project. You'll find all the necessary nodes in the plugin documentation. The link is in the description. Open the Runtime Local LLM docs and go to the Examples tab. One good starting point is the Simple Chat example, which covers a basic chat workflow you might want to use. Copy its nodes into your blueprint. You'll notice a missing variable. Just right-click on it and select Create Variable to generate it automatically. In this node, you can change the prompt that the model will respond to. In the Parameters node, you can adjust the model settings. Now, hit play. The model will start generating a response, streaming it back in small text chunks. You can use these chunks however you like. For example, appending them to a UI widget in real time as the text comes in. Next, we'll look at another example, one that handles downloading, loading, and chatting with an LLM all in one flow. This is essentially the same as the simple chat example, but with an automatic download step before the conversation begins. Useful if you want to ship your app without bundling the model file. Go back to the Runtime Local LLM documentation, find the Download, Load, and Chat example, and copy its nodes into your blueprint. Create the Runtime Local LLM variable if you haven't already. Then find the URL node and paste the download link for your model. In this node, you can change the prompt that the model will respond to. You can also adjust the model parameters here. Hit play. You'll see the model download and initialize, and then, just like before, the response will start streaming in as small text chunks. The plugin also includes a demo level, so you can see the LLM in action. Open the Content browser, go to the Engine folder, then Plugins, find the Runtime Local LLM plugin, and open the Demo folder. If you don't see it, open the Content browser settings and enable Show Engine Content and Show Plugin Content. Inside the Widgets folder, you can customize the UI however you like. Open the level and press play to try it out. Let's see how it works. Thank you for watching, and enjoy working with Georgie Dev plugins.